Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today we're going to be unboxing and trying the 20 plus 3 gel polish set by Mefa, and they were kind enough to send me this kit to review and share it with you guys. It comes with so many different shades, and they actually have this in like different varieties of colors. So yeah, let's go ahead and see everything, all of the colors. As always, you have a top that's shiny, a matte top coat, and a base coat included in the kit, which I find pretty cool and very helpful, especially if you're a beginner and you just want to have everything included. So yeah, let's see all of the colors. I just decided to go ahead and show you the shades only, so that you can go ahead and see everything without me having to, spend time showing you the different bottles because they all look the same. Yeah, if you saw, one of the bottles actually leaked a little bit, but yeah, that happens sometimes. The color was still like pretty full. It was this one actually. It just leaked outside of the bottle a little bit and I just had to clean it, but other than that it was okay. It wasn't a problem of the bottle. I think it just got thrown around a bit too much while it was in transport. But yeah, I love these colors. This one, the sparkly pink one, was my favorite. I also think that some of the pinks that they have and some other shades are a little more on the muted side, so these are going to be nice for like both summer going into fall time. So I like that a lot, and as always I wanted to use as many colors as possible. And when I saw this orange, I was obsessed. I just loved it and I knew that I wanted to try it today. So yeah, I hope you enjoy seeing all of the colors like this. Let me know if you like it. And I'm going to go ahead and just let us finish all the colors. I put them on a little dish as well so that I was able to use them while I was painting without having to open the bottles all the time. And yeah, here all of them. We're gonna go ahead and start on the nail art, and I put on some super long nail tips. As you saw, I got this from Shein a while back, and the very first thing you need to do is apply a layer of base coat to all of your nails to make sure that the gel polish sticks on just fine. And yeah, it took a while to actually put the base coat on because these are very long nails, and I'm usually not used to painting such long nails, but I have so much fun whenever I use them. So yeah, for the base color I chose this nude. It actually is a little sparkly. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but it's like almost like a pearl effect, like very soft glitter, which I really like. I really like anything that's not completely, glitter free, so this was a nice surprise. I liked it, and yeah, you can see it shining a little bit. It's really cute, and I use this as a base. I went ahead and I applied 2 layers of this on all of my nails and cured it in the lamp for 30 seconds. So when it comes to the main nail art, I wanted to make some abstract swirly shapes and fill them in with those colors. As I told you, I loved that orange a lot. I think it's a beautiful fall color and I want to use it for some Halloween nails and stuff. And I also liked that other dark turquoise color. I think that they look really good together, but of course I just wanted them to be a little bit more fun and add some more elements. So yeah, you're gonna see like polka dots and all sorts of stuff and a lot of chunky charms. I'm really into chunky charms lately. I might have mentioned this in another video, but I've just been like haunting them and trying to find as many as I can. I ordered a few more from Shein, and I got a few from a friend of mine who sells them here in Greece, and I'm so excited to show you everything. I don't know if I should make like a haul of everything, if you would be into looking at all the weird funny charms that I got lately. Some of them are really cute, and I also found some Sailor Moon ones and I'm so excited. Yeah, so anyways, back to the nail art that I'm currently painting. You can see that I'm using lighter colors to kind of outline the shapes that we created. They didn't have a lighter orange, so I went with the neon yellow, and then I used this lighter turquoise for the darker color, and I think that this matched really well, but I also wanted to add some more colors to contrast those, so I went with the pink dots around the lighter turquoise, And then I also decided to add some light blue inside the orange. I think that it went together really well. I didn't want to add those outside the nail as well because they were going to overlap at some points, so I think it turned out pretty cute. And then I just went ahead and I picked out all of the colors that I use on every nail, and I just made little dots going down the 2 nails that I had there, and that's pretty much it. It's really simple, but I think it looks really cute and it's fun, and you can just make mistakes without anybody noticing, honestly, which is one of my favorite things about nail art. So after that, I went ahead and I added matte top coat to all of the nails, and this was really nice. It's very silky, so yeah, it cured really well also. And I added some of the glossy top coat to adhere some of the charms. I used this big gummy bear. I love these, they're so cute. And then I also got these charms from Shein, and I added one of those in the middle of the nail because I wanted a little bit of sparkle, you know, I had a little bit of blink in there. And I also added a bunch of these flower charms, you know, that I love. And yeah, that's all. I also added some caviar beads inside the middle of the flowers later on. And yeah, I went ahead and I cured these, and I'm very satisfied with their top coats, to be honest. Especially the matte one is really good. As always, I'm going to apply some cuticle oil to nourish my cuticles. And here is the finished final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was so much fun to play with all of these different colors, and I'm really satisfied with the nails that I made. I know they have a lot of things on them, but I feel like that's kind of my thing as an artist. I just put a lot of things and just a lot of colors and textures. So yeah, big thank you to Mefa for sending me these products to try. I really love playing around with them, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!